Eliminates cough and expels phlegm. Eliminates sore throat. Chop an onion. A ginger root in pieces. Chop a clove of garlic. Chop a washed lime. Pour all the ingredients into a pot. Add 2 cinnamon sticks. Add 2 glasses of water. Bring to the heat and cover. Let boil for 15 minutes. Strain the tea. Serve in a cup. Add a teaspoon of honey. Drink 2 cups a day, for a week. Did you like the recipe?